Hi all, I'm Shrikant Mandela and welcome back to our channel. I hope you're finding this videos really meaningful. I must say that I'm really happy to tell you that there are some viewers who have reached out to me and they told that the videos I make have been really insightful. And some others have told me that there are some improvements which I can make, which I am trying to implement and inculcate into my videos. Now this is the kind of feedback which really drives me and my enthusiasm to make these videos. So thank you very much once again. Since schooling, we have always been taught to listen and do things as we are told to. Even in college, we are taught a set syllabus every year from textbooks, which are outdated, and also the information which is taught to us is already available for free on the internet. So what is it that we actually need to learn to help improve our daily lives? If there is that one skill which you really need to cultivate in your life, that would be critical thinking. This particular skill will help us navigate our lives with much more ease and tackle various situations logically based on facts and figures rather than just being driven by emotions. We can deconstruct and analyze a situation so that we can make a much more informed choice and act rationally. There is a website which I use which has very great critical thinking exercises which I'll tell you at the end of the video. So here are my 5 tips to improve your critical thinking power. Firstly, to begin with, know your motive. Understand as to what you want to accomplish with the outcome of your decision. For example, you might want a new pair of shoes. So what is it for? Is it for a sporting event or for fashion or is it for a formal event? Very clearly understand as to what is your purpose here. Next, spare the emotions and be logical. We as humans are driven by emotions, but in certain situations, it is really important to be rational so that we can arrive at the correct decision. Let's consider that you're voting. Now, instead of getting driven just by the candidate's personality or how amazingly they are speaking, just ponder as to whatever they are promising is practically possible or not. And there you go, you'll have your answer. Next, gather the right information. This is a very important step. The internet can be a cesspool of information and this can really confuse you. Just think of it. Do you want to be confused? No, right? Now suppose let's consider that you want to narrow down on which college to attend for your degree. Now instead of just going online and dabbling with plenty of information out there, why don't you reach out a consultant who's certified and gather your information from that person? Collated and concise information will help you reach your conclusion much faster. Next, consider the outcomes of your decision. Once you have all the information that is needed, visualize the outcomes of your decision. You will get the exact picture of the repercussions of each decision and where will it precisely lead you. Next, do not multitask. I think this is one of the most important things I can tell you. Take up one situation or a decision at a time and reach a conclusion on it and then plan on moving to the next one. It is always much better to have 100% focus and attention on one thing rather than having 10% attention on 10 different things at the same time. If we have a distributed focus on different things at the same time, then we might end up doing nothing at all. So be focused, complete what you started and make the right decisions for yourself. As I had mentioned at the beginning of the video, the website I use for critical thinking games is known as freethinkinggames.com. This particular website has a lot of critical thinking games and it will really improve your thinking power. I hope that this particular video really helps you in improving your daily life. Do like, comment and subscribe to the channel if you really find it useful. This really motivates me further. Take care of yourself and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.